Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. So today in this video I'm gonna teach you how to set a wallpaper on your Redmi mobile. Before you continue, please share and subscribe. And now let's start the video. So you go here from setting and here display, not here. Here in this wallpaper, then just click here profile and here wallpapers. This so many wallpaper, choose anyone. If you like this one, you just apply here. Successfully they will come in your mobile phone. That's wallpaper. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. And thanks for watching this video.